2026 is officially the year of smarter, faster, and more powerful drones. Rocket. From ultra-smooth 4K and 8K aerial footage to AI-powered tracking, obstacle avoidance, and insane flight stability, drones have leveled up in a big way. Whether you're a content creator chasing cinematic shots, a traveler capturing epic landscapes, a real estate professional, or just someone who loves high-tech gadgets, choosing the right drone makes all the difference. But here's the thing. Not every drone is worth your money. Some promise crazy specs but underperform. Others quietly dominate with performance, battery life, camera quality, and intelligent features that truly matter in real-world flying. So in this video, we're breaking down the top 6 best drones to buy in 2026, covering camera performance, flight time, range, smart features, portability, and overall value. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which drone fits your budget, your skill level, and your creative goals. Let's take off. First on our list is the DJI Air 3S. At its core is a 1-inch CMOS primary camera. It features a dual camera system, capturing smooth 4K at 60 frames per second with nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Now let's talk about the next-gen smart return-to-home system. This upgraded RTH uses enhanced positioning and real-time environmental awareness to calculate safer, more precise return paths. Even in complex environments with buildings or trees, it intelligently avoids obstacles and lands accurately near your takeoff point, giving you peace of mind every single flight. And when it comes to setup, DJI makes it incredibly simple. Power it on, connect the RC2 screen controller, and you're ready to fly in minutes. The built-in display eliminates the need for a phone. The interface is intuitive, and the Fly More combo includes 3 batteries, extending your creative sessions without constant interruptions. It's fast, streamlined, and built for creators who want to focus on capturing, not configuring. Next up is the DJI Mini 3, a lightweight and portable drone with up to 38 minutes of battery life and more time to capture the perfect shot. It records in stunning 4K HDR, plus true vertical shooting for ready-to-post social content. The large-angle tilt adds dramatic perspectives, while quick shots let you capture cinematic moves. It handles winds up to 38 kilometers per hour, and with GPS return to home, it flies back safely and precisely. Small, smart, and seriously capable. Third on our list is the DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo, and this is where things get intense. This isn't just a drone, it's a full FPV flying experience designed to make you feel like you're inside the action. Equipped with a powerful 4K camera, the Avata 2 captures ultra-smooth, immersive POV footage that puts viewers right in the pilot seat. Whether you're flying through tight spaces, over landscapes, or diving between obstacles, the footage feels fast, dynamic, and cinematic. What makes it stand out is the built-in propeller guard design. Unlike traditional drones, this adds an extra layer of protection, making it safer for close-range flying and indoor exploration. You can push creative boundaries with more confidence. The Avata 2 is built for agility. With easy flip and roll functions, you can perform dramatic aerial stunts at the tap of a control, perfect for action creators who want high-energy shots without complex manual maneuvers. It delivers an incredibly responsive and immersive flight control system, giving you precision handling and tight maneuverability that FPV pilots love. Because it's FAA Remote ID compliant, you're ready to fly legally and responsibly right out of the box. And with the Fly More combo battery setup, you get extended flight sessions to capture more thrilling moments without constant interruptions. The DJI Avata 2 isn't about casual flying. It's about speed, immersion, creativity, and capturing moments from angles most people will never experience. If you want next-level POV content and adrenaline-packed visuals, this drone changes the game. Fourth on our list is the DJI Neo 3 battery combo. This one is controller-free, meaning you can launch it straight from your palm. Its full-coverage propeller guard keeps flights safe and confident. With AI subject tracking, it follows you automatically, capturing smooth 4K at 30 frames per second footage. Add in built-in quick shots, and you've got cinematic content with zero complexity. Smart, simple, and seriously fun to fly. Fifth on our list is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro Creator Combo. It features a powerful tri-camera system, including a 4 of 3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor and dual telecameras, up to 16 stops of dynamic range, and stunning 0.1 lux night performance. The Infinity gimbal ensures ultra-smooth cinematic movement, while the aerodynamic design enhances stability. With O4 Plus video transmission and the advanced RC Pro controller, this drone is pure professional power in the sky. Last on our list is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro Fly More Combo, a flagship triple-camera drone built for creators who demand absolute versatility and professional-grade results. At the heart of this drone is a stunning 4 of 3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, delivering exceptional color science, incredible detail, and true-to-life tones straight out of the camera. The larger sensor allows for better light capture, improved depth, and cleaner low-light performance, giving your footage that rich, cinematic look. Alongside the Hasselblad wide camera, you also get dedicated telephoto lenses that let you zoom in without sacrificing quality. This means you can capture sweeping landscapes, medium-range portraits, and dramatic long-distance compression shots, all from a single drone. It's like having multiple focal lengths in the sky. The drone supports advanced video capabilities, producing sharp 4K footage with professional color profiles, making it ideal for filmmakers, travel creators, and commercial work. With up to 15 kilometers of video transmission, you get a stable, crystal-clear live feed even at long distances. This extended range gives you confidence and creative freedom when flying in open environments. The Fly More combo includes 3 intelligent batteries and a charging hub, significantly extending your total flight time and minimizing downtime between shoots. More batteries mean more opportunities to capture the perfect shot. Safety is also a priority. The Mavic 3 Pro includes advanced obstacle sensing systems that help detect objects in multiple directions, assisting in safer navigation and smoother flights. Plus, it is FAA Remote ID compliant, so you're ready to fly legally and responsibly. Paired with the DJI RC controller, you get a bright built-in display for seamless control and real-time monitoring without needing a smartphone. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro isn't just a drone, it's a complete aerial production system, built for professionals, creators, and serious enthusiasts who want unmatched flexibility, power, and cinematic performance in one compact flying machine. And that wraps up our top 6 drones to buy in 2026 helicopter fire. From ultra-portable beginner drones to flagship cinematic powerhouses, we covered everything: 4K performance, smart tracking, FPV action, long flight times, and professional multi-camera systems. Whether you're a traveler, content creator, adrenaline flyer, or serious filmmaker, there's a perfect drone here for your style and budget. Check the links in the description, pick your upgrade, and take your creativity to the skies in 2026.